Okay, we are at your workbook, page 25 here. We are at AGM3D, conditional statements with sensing category 2. Okay, you need to open this file, AGM3D underscore debug. Save your work as balloon. Okay, so we go and open it first. Okay, you open projects. So just press on any teacher's name, Fan Chin, Joseph Tree, AGM3, at 3C now. No, I think it's 3D, AGM3D. Okay, then AGM3D debug. Okay, once you open the file, please save it as balloon. So file, save as. Okay, please make sure that you go into your birth cert number, then go into your level folder. This one save as balloon. Zip. Check. GLON, yes, correct. Then underscore your name. Then click OK, save. Okay, let's see what do we need to do. There are some errors in the script. Run the script and identify the problems. The intended game is as follows. When the game starts, the balloon appears randomly at the bottom of the screen, must appear here. The score is set to 0. The cat appears randomly on the screen. Okay, so we check that first. So, green flag. Okay, seems like the balloon appears randomly at the bottom. The cat also appears randomly at the randomly on the screen. Then is the score set to 0? Okay, I don't see any score here. Okay, the score set to 0. Okay, it's all correct. Okay, next. During the game, the balloon moves to the top of the screen slowly. Problem. The balloon, green flag, it doesn't move to the top of the screen. Okay, later we see what happened. What else do we need? Okay, we settle the move to the screen, move to the up of the screen slowly first. Okay, let's check the balloon. Go to X random at Y negative 180. This is the reason it appear at the bottom. Then repeat until touching H. Then change Y by 3. What's the problem? I saw the problem already. Repeat until touching H. Isn't it touching H already? If you're already touching H from the start, will it be able to continue the whole loop? Okay, this one can't change at all. That's the reason it cannot move. Even you change this value to very big. So for example, change it to 300. See? Can't move. Why? Because it's already touching edge. Touching the edge at the bottom. So this one, let me change it back to 3. Change it back to 5. Okay? The way that I will be able to make sure that it's be able to slowly move is by changing the Y position. Negative 180 is totally touching the edge, can't move at all. Maybe I change to negative 150. See, it's moving. Okay? The reason being, it is not at 180. Why is it at the bottom again? Because you still got this one. Pick random 180. So change to negative 150. Then you'll be able to move. See? Move, touch the top, touch the top, then after that you'll be able to move again. Okay? So by changing the Y position, it's able to change. You'll be able to move. Done. When the balloon reaches the top of the screen, the pop sound is played. Okay. Maybe Madam Computer sound is very pop sound. The balloon reappears randomly at the bottom of the screen. Okay. Any pop sound? Yes. Pop sound is played. No problem. The balloon reappears randomly at the screen. No problem. The cat is moved up, down, left, and right using the arrow keys on the keyboard. So go to cat, check. When the up key press, move out this, then, oh, problem. Down key press need to come out from the if. It has the same level as the if, so need to drag down a little bit. Y and Y control the up down can. Left and right, is it still by Y? No. Left and right should be by X. So you need to change X. Okay, right is positive, then left is negative. Okay, it's a negative value. Okay, let's try. Can the cat move? Can. Left, right, no issue. Up, down, no issue. Okay. Okay. Cat can move already. When the cat touches the balloon, the score is increased by 1. Okay. Just now, does it increase? Okay. So, what happened? You see? How many times my cat already touches the balloon? Touch many, many times. Does the score change at all? No. Let's see. Why? Because it's set score to 1. Set score to 1 will not change the marks at all. What you need? You need change score by 1. Okay? You need the change score by 1. Let's try again. Okay, see? Now you can increase. No issue. Set will always be the same number. Okay? So next. Uh, increase by 1. This one no problem. The game finishes when the score reaches 5. Let's check. Okay, score equal to 5. Can. The cat appears at the center of the screen. Okay, when it reaches 5, that appears at the center of the screen. Okay, looks good. Then the text you win is displayed for 2 seconds. You win displayed for 2 seconds, no problem. Then the game end. Do you have the game end? No. Okay, so you need to have the stop all. Then the game will end. Okay, let's check the whole game. So touch can. Okay, mainly I want to check whether I win. I go back to the center and say you win. Okay, then everything end. Can? Okay, let's check. Nothing else already, right? Okay. List down the errors you have identified and modify the script so that the games work intended. That we already done. So just write down the answer. Okay, where's the answer? Here. The balloon is stuck at the bottom of the screen. Why? Then how to change it? You need to change y from negative 80 to negative 150. Okay, that's the first thing you need to change. Okay, this one we done. The cat does not move correctly when the arrow key are pressed. This one what happened? Because it was touching the edge. Does not move correctly. Or need to, what do you do? We actually drag the thief and align with other. Okay, okay, so we don't need this. Okay, the score does not increase as intended. Use change score log. Okay, shouldn't be set score, should change score. Okay, the balloon did not stop moving at the end. What do we do? Use stop all log. Okay, so you can copy this answer into your workbook now. Workbook page 26. Okay.